what we want to start with is one project. So in my case, we use OpenAI and we open one project, and this project has sources that we upload. So source files. Okay, now this one is the command center. In the source files, what we do is we get past diaries, school reports, conversations. This is the big one. You do maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. These conversations, right, will be amongst various topics. You actually organize and listen back to the topics, but in order of splitting the topics. So you replay it back to you. Topic 1 might be family. Topic 2 might be work. And as you get these topics back, you then make a journal log, and then you save that in, for example, Google Docs, and then you grow this every day, and it becomes like an exam memory. So that's what we got so far. Now, the next thing we do, now create new project 2, family, and project 3 will be work. Now what happens is that you then add source files. The source files are the splitting of the journal log by topic. You then add source files, and you add source files here. And then from that, what we do is we now have multiple projects. As you now have certain experiences, you add to here. Now what will happen is that you will start to have characters. So then you will understand how to recognize the patterns of each character here. So in here you'll have multiple chats. That'll be boss, staff 1, staff 2. And you start building up these patterns. Then you start to learn how each person communicates and how to communicate back to each person. The most important thing is recursion. So here is you. As you talk to AI and you upload everything into these boxes, then you must listen back again. And then you hear what's right and what's wrong, and you fix it again. And this recursive improvement improves the accuracy of each of these, which then allows the feedback coming to you to be more accurate, which allows you to send back more accurate feedback, and you get a recursion of self-improvement. So you become much more enhanced, much more quickly about your boss, staff, family, patterns, family, work, your journal log, your memory. Okay, and now this will take up to an hour a day. Now, as this happens, then you'll be able to achieve more things more quickly. So then you'll be able to organize events, and then you can have more project files. So event 1, event 2, and then you figure out which friends are coming to each one. Then what will happen is you then have 1 friend, 2. Now you can create analyses on each of the friends. So then you can create a new project file on each friend. Then you know when you've contacted them, when you should, how the relationship's going, what's new in their lives. You end up building this whole map of everything that's happening in your life. And as you talk, you update, and it updates you, and the recursion continues. So you yourself get better and better and better. As this continues to enhance, you'll be able to take on more tasks. The thing is, you might want to write a book, but what you can do is you can upload everything from other projects all into here. Then you can talk backwards and forwards with this particular project over a weekend. Might take you 15 hours of talking, but you end up producing a book. And then you take that book and you edit it yourself, and then you send the edit back into the book, which produces second draft. Now, this way you can do the second draft on the Monday or Tuesday. So by Wednesday, you've got third draft. Okay. So that goes in, and now you get the third draft. So what you end up doing is creating a massive self-recursion, basically a cognitive exoskeleton, because it all, as always, remember, it always comes back to you every time before anything goes out or in. Here we just have the projects which we mentioned earlier, which are just augmenting your ability to speed up the process so that you can do the next draft and the next draft. Then what you do is you go to Notebook LM and you put final product of everything in sources, everything all the way down. And what it will do is create a mind map of everything that you have going on in your life, all organized. So you'll end up getting an interactive map. You'll get this, you can click on that. As soon as you click, it spreads out into these, and then you click on one of that and it'll open up into these. You can see your life immediately, everything that's happening, and you know which things on which you need to focus. Then it can help you update your Gantt charts immediately. All of your charts here, you know all your projects, which ones are complete, how percentage complete, and then today's timeline, which is your Gantt chart. So then you can increase again more and more projects, and the recursivity just continues. It's not unlimited, of course. Then you can create lessons to learn more things. Get a YouTube video, you get a transcript, you put into a new project, analyze, listen to summary, think about it, extract best arguments. You do another video, another transcript, then you put that in, and then you find contradictions, and then from that you can eliminate and get a synthesis. Then you're up to date with multiple videos in a fraction of the time. Then on top of that, you can do an overlay. Everything becomes bilingual. So then when you're doing your recursivity, you're not just getting everything back, but you're getting it back in 2 languages. And then that way you're learning an extra language every time you do your thinking.